In primetime news this evening, vaccine mandate or not, Prime Minister to address the nation on new policy amidst report of a rift in the cabinet. An uphill task. COVID herd immunity target dismal as only 10% vaccinated in the past 6 months. And Foreign Affairs Ministry says Jamaica's vaccine program is now recognized in the UK.
A good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, in the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking what more can be done to increase the vaccine take-up in Jamaica. You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.